Yeah.
Hey guys, what is up? This is Igniter96, and I'm going to bring you a Minecraft video of my roller coaster, my amazing subway roller coaster thing. Sorry about the lag. QuickTime really sucks. But yeah, so this is pretty much my creative world. Make more YouTube videos of it later. But right here, we're going to go into my subway. So basically, here's the main station. You walk in your doors. Let me kill this chicken. Yeah, so here's the station. You got all your power rails in here, everything's all set up. You got your buttons to click if you want to make the roller coaster go. This place is right above here. Click onto it. Oh, nope. Not allowed. Okay. Let's right click this time. Alright, I'm using a mighty mouse, so it's really not the best. Okay, so yeah, basically here's your go button. Click that. Basically use all these power rails. It takes you a tour all around my whole world. My amazing castle. All my redstone lamps and wiring and stuff. Goes up this hill. The sign said nothing. Here's a subway. Oh. I guess we weren't allowed to stop there, I guess. Okay, here's the second stop. We didn't stop back there for some reason. But basically if you want to get off here, is break your roller coaster. And sometimes you fall, sometimes you don't. Gotta fix that. See if I can get myself to fly here. Alright, sorry about the lag. So yeah, it just takes you down into another subway for down there. It's pretty cool. This took me about 2 hours to make. Click this button. It's a pretty cool roller coaster. Has multiple stops. Here's my McDonald's I made. It's pretty awesome. Twists and turns there. There's my little man cave thing. I'll show it later. But for right now, we're just gonna click this button. And my amazing log cabin out of town. Just gonna click this button. It mixes back there. And I didn't want to stop back there, so I just put a switch. That stop is under construction. If it's under construction, it usually has a switch there instead of a button. I'll repair it later. So yeah, well, I'll show you my simple McDonald's I made. It's pretty cool. Let me get some space in the selector here. I don't know why this is lagging. I have 4 gigabytes of RAM. I have an NVIDIA processor, the Intel Core 2 Duo 2 GHz processor. But yeah, so pretty much I made a little menu, a little fake menu with some food in it. If you just right click the dispenser, you can see what's in there. And the tables and chairs and the glowstone all around it. It's pretty cool. For employees only. You click that and they order and you see what it is. The bottom text is bottom, top text is top. So this is a combination meal. So if someone wants to mix sweet tooth, click it. out comes a mixed sweet tooth meal. It's zombie flesh and a golden apple, but hey, whatever. There's not much creativity here. So yeah, and the pork leaf. Here's a protein meal. Some chicken and some steak. Yeah, so that was pretty much it. Look forward to more videos coming of my creative world. And it's just awesome to see what you can just create. I do survival mode and stuff like that. Like let's play Minecraft editions if you want. But you know, this is just what I do in my spare time. It's just nice. Have all this stuff built. Have a huge city that I actually made all by myself. This is a free sample machine. But yeah. And for McDonald's, nice little city. Thanks guys for watching. Then again, I'm sorry about the lag. My computer is a fairly good computer. I don't know why it should be lagging right now, but oh well. See you guys later. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace out. The Igniter.